Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to calculate your JAMB score very easily by yourself. Shall we check it out? Now, to calculate your JAMB score, it is very easy once you understand the structure. You'll be tested on 4 subjects. Use of English is compulsory. Now, each subject is scored 100 marks. So, the total of your 4 subjects by mathematics, right, is 400 marks. For use of English, you would have 60 questions. For other subjects, you have 40 questions. So, it just goes on to say that other subjects, each questions will carry 2.5 marks. But your use of English would, there will be a little mathematics there to round it up to 100 because you have 60 questions, not 50. So your total JAMB score is the score you got for subject 1, 2, 3, 4 added together. That will give you the total JAMB score. So let's say, for example, you had English 68, mathematics 75, physics 72, chemistry 65. By the time you put all that together, you have 280. 280 is your JAMB score. 280 over what? 280 over 400. Is that clear? So what I would always advise is that start with the easiest subjects so that you can have more time to focus on the difficult ones, since you're going to be writing all the exam on that seat. So start with the easiest one. So if you love English, you enjoy English, start with English. You have more time to reserve for probably physics or chemistry that may require more calculation or more brain power. So use of English, of course, is compulsory for everyone. So all questions carries equal marks except use of English. Based on what I've explained, JAMB does not do negative marking. Say if you get it wrong, your mark will be deducted. It doesn't happen. So with that, we'll call it a wrap. If I made a mistake or it's not the way it should be, please let us know in the comment section. If you have questions or you need feedback, you need help, you can join our WhatsApp community. You find the link to that in the description of this video. I wish you success in this upcoming exam. Bye.
Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched. To see more content as that, preparing you for your upcoming exam, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notification. Also, remember that you can use the comment section to send us your questions or your inquiries, and we are happy to take them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.